Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a Moonton account in Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Mobile Legends game and ensure it is updated to the latest version. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner to open a menu. From there, scroll down and select the Account option. At the top, choose Moonton as your account type. Next, enter your email address and set a new password. Once done, tap on the Submit button. Moonton will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and find the message from Moonton. Inside, you will see an Activate Now button. Tap on it to complete the account registration process. After activation, return to Mobile Legends and log in with your new Moonton account. This allows you to save progress, sync your game data, and access your account from multiple devices. So that's basically how you can create a Moonton account in Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.